Let's have a quick look at the markets here in this first week of July. Now, I do think that for Euro, I think we do need to tap into 1078, okay? So I think something we need to be very cautious about on Euro are these equal lows. A lot of liquidity rests below this level, okay, 106.75. So I think we need to be careful and just be aware that the market can go back down there and reach for those equal lows. I think we will hit 1078 before any change in direction, and any change in direction to attack those equal lows is only going to be temporary if in fact we do go down there, because I think longer term I am bullish on Euro. I'm looking for these highs to be taken and these highs to be taken above. The question is, do we take this out and then go back and take these out before continuing the move higher, okay, or do we just continue to move higher? That's really the unknown at the moment. We do have quite a heavy news week, okay, so today, Wednesday, we've got a lot of USD news. Obviously, ADP non-farm payroll is going to be a high impact news, unemployment claims as well, FOMC as well, okay, and then obviously the news later on Friday is also going to be high impact. So going to be a very volatile week, but I am looking for higher prices in Euro, okay. I do believe we will hit 107.80. We're not too far away from that. We are at looking at a 4-hour chart, okay, so that's something to be aware of. Let's have a very quick look at the dollar index. That's going to tell us what's going on. So the dollar index, we have a lot of liquidity there, okay, at these highs. So I think we will tap into that, okay. So that's what's going to drive Euro lower if we do start to tap into those highs. Let's take a look at the daily chart on the dollar index. Okay, so that equal highs on the daily chart is not too far away, okay, it's just around the corner. So that level there, 106.50, I think will be the draw in liquidity, but then I do think we will come back down and take out these lows on the dollar index, which will mean higher prices in Euro. So really, you need to just be cautious, okay, and with a heavy news week, I think you're going to see a lot of volatility. So where are we? So we are coming into this volume imbalance. Okay, this will most likely act as support. Okay, so I think the dollar index will rise higher from this level. Okay, and either tap into these highs, which are very clear highs just under 106.20, or continue higher above 106.50. Okay, so I think we just need to be wary of that. If we do support where we are now in the dollar index, that would mean prices on Euro go lower. So we just got to be wary. I think that before prices do go lower, in my view, we will tap 107.80. Okay, so this, I mean, that level there, they are very equal, relative equal lows. A lot of liquidity will reside there, but we just got to monitor the price charts. Okay, I am bullish on Euro longer term. Let's have a look at gold. Okay, gold, I want to see price retrace to at least 2310. This is a daily chart. Let's hit down to a 4-hourly chart. So 2310, yes, somewhere in this vicinity. You can see there's a lot of liquidity that the market's building up. All these lows need to be taken, tapping back down to this price zone. So I'm still looking for that. I have taken scalp trades on gold up and down. You've seen that on my Twitter profile. So have a look at those trades if you want to remind yourselves of what trades I've taken. But I am looking for, this is where I want to take positions to the long side for gold. I think all this will be taken. I think we'll get back up to here at a minimum. Okay, so looking to see lower prices on gold for longer term bullishness after we take out these lows here. Okay, I want to see price go back up. Let's have a take a look at New Zealand. I'm bullish on New Zealand as well. New Zealand, I think we'll tap into that 6110 that I've been waiting for. Okay, so I do think that we will get up to these levels here, 6110. A lot of liquidity resides above there. We've already taken liquidity down here. Okay, so I think this is now the next draw on liquidity, and I've been calling for that for quite some time. So I think we will tap into that. Monitor the news over the next couple of days. High impact news will definitely impact this market. I think longer term, we are looking for high prices on New Zealand. I have posted my longer term view on New Zealand. So I think this level that we are on right now, this support, I've posted that on Twitter. Go have a look at that. I think that's a support zone. I think immediate draw is up here, up around the 63 level. Okay, so I think short term we'll head up to this 62 30 or 62 40, whatever that level is, and then I think we will take out these lows at the 63.50 level. For now, I think that this level here needs to hold, which it seems to be holding. Into current short term on a lower time frame, all I'm really looking for, that 60, let's go back to a 4-hourly chart, that 6110, these highs. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right now, this 6110 to be taken, and then those higher targets above, okay, that I've posted on Twitter. Okay, Aussie will be the same. Aussie will just follow New Zealand, or New Zealand will follow Aussie. I think Aussie's bullish. I've already made comments about this. I think we are headed up higher, okay, up into the 67 zone. So I think 67 is kind of the next draw on liquidity, and that's basically all these highs over here. So I'm still bullish on Aussie. Okay, there will be a lot of volatility in the markets in the next couple of days as we are in a new month, which is a new quarter, and we've got high impact news this week as well. So there will be a lot of volatility, and you just got to be able to manage your trades. Okay, so I've spoken about Euro, Aussie, gold, and New Zealand. They are the only markets I'm trading right now. Let's have a very quick look at the Canadian dollar. I haven't had a look at Canadian for a while. So let's have a look at a 4-hourly chart. Yeah, so I think on Canadian dollar, these equal lows down here is the current draw, okay, on liquidity. So these lows here, okay, these lows here. So I think that we are headed lower on the Canadian. Okay, down to 1.36. It's not really a market that I trade much. So that's it for this video. I'm really focusing on gold. Okay, I want to see gold get down to 2310. That's where I'm looking for price to react from. And to move higher from that level. I've been taking scalps, which hasn't been easy, to be honest, in this consolidation. New Zealand, I do like to the upside. Immediate draw, 61.10. Euro, I think, is headed up higher, as I've mentioned. Okay, above 107.80. And then I think we will get a reaction. Let's look at daily charts. Yeah, I think we get to 107.80. Then we need to reassess because I see these levels as a risk. But longer term, I am bullish. So if we do get down there, in my view, that'll be a reaction to go higher. Okay, so I will now talk with you in a future video.